Hi everyone, Philipa Thornton, founder and CEO of Resource Therapy Institute Australia and Marriage Works. So welcome to my marriage workers. Yay, the month of July. Boy, what a year it has been. Certainly it may have taken a toll on yourself, the anxiety that's out there in the world. We're all experiencing it. And specifically how it may have affected your relationship. And now as we start to, in some places, come out of lockdown, but in others are being locked in more, we need to be conscious of how we move forward, staying true to our hearts and to ourselves and to our relationships with colleagues, with your partners, with your family and friends. As some of us have gotten in Sydney where we are able to go out, and I'm super excited because the Ritz, the movie theatre, opens soon and we're going to be at it, Chris and I. So maybe you've gotten out and become a bit more social, and your partner might be missing you because that might be an adjustment. So bear that in mind. Each of us are going to have a different response to the lockdown, COVID-19, the anxiety, how that affects us. Some people are really worried, and some of us are not at all bothered so much because we're a bit distant and we're fairly safe here in Australia. But if you're in the US, things might be very different. So just be kind and supportive. So the message today is for the month of July, give support. Now, support can happen in many forms. Support can be a kind listening ear. Support can be inviting a friend round for lunch. Support can be going and visiting a friend, even making a phone call. I'll be reaching out and support to your partner, support to your family. So support and support to yourself so that you can keep the community supported as well. So stay well, stay safe, and be happy. And this is Philippa offering you my support here this month of July. Take care with lots of love. All the best. Bye for now.